Hello, my name is Mike Toledo, and I would like to introduce the magnetic roller tip. It's designed for the new PDR tech learning on their own. It's a basic package with two magnetic tips, 1/2 inch and 3/4 inch. It comes with 3 different bars, tracer balls, hook, chain ring, door wedge, and a bag for easy storage and transportation. In wide open panel areas, such as a hood, place the S-hook in an open hole and attach the ring. Using one of your supplied PDR rods, you can add an extension and place inside the ring to use as leverage. Set up the line board reflecting the best amount of light against the dent. The lines identify the dent with curvature. Use the black line as your focal point. The magnetic roller tip is used with the supplied tracer ball. The tracer ball reveals the exact location of the magnetic ball without guessing. It's almost like cheating. With slight pressure being applied on and off against the panel, work the dented area in a clockwise rotation around the dent, slowly closing up from the outside towards the center. Remove or move the tracer ball out of the way to see what is left. This also builds your accuracy without using the tracer ball as well. Repeat steps as necessary to remove the rest of the dent. If you happen to press too hard and create a high, use the supplied tap down and remove the highs as necessary. You can also use the roller magnetic tip for rear quarter panels and even in some door panels. Just about any panel that allows access with your magnetic roller tip. Creases are very hard to pinpoint if you don't know where your tip is. With the magnetic roller tip, you can easily follow the tracer ball from one side of the crease to the other, allowing for accurate pushes and a cleaner repair.